Samsung's most ambitious foldable phone has just been revealed, the Galaxy Z TriFold. After months of speculation and blurry teasers, new leaked videos finally gave the clearest look yet at Samsung's upcoming tri-folding smartphone. And from the looks of it, this could be the company's most revolutionary Galaxy device so far. The Galaxy Z TriFold was recently shown in new videos posted by Oh My God Electronics and Sabusa News on YouTube. The clips reveal a phone that folds inward twice, a design choice that helps protect the flexible display when closed. That's a smart move, especially compared to Huawei's Mate X Ultimate, which folds outward and leaves part of its main screen exposed. Samsung's inward folding approach not only looks sturdier, but also ensures better durability in daily use. The leaks show that the Galaxy Z TriFold comes with two different displays. There's a 6.5-inch outer display for regular use, and when fully opened, a massive 10-inch foldable internal screen. This setup gives users a tablet-like experience while keeping the portability of a smartphone. Both screens appear to have slightly thicker bezels than Samsung's latest Galaxy Z Fold 7, but that's expected for a first-generation trifold design. What stands out is how the phone looks when fully opened. Despite being a first-gen device, the unfolded Galaxy Z TriFold appears thinner than the Z Fold 7. However, when folded, it becomes noticeably thicker due to the double hinge structure, a necessary trade-off for a phone that folds twice. Each hinge has a unique radius, with one folding tightly while the other leaves just enough room for the screen layers to overlap neatly. In terms of design, the TriFold's engineering looks impressive and refined. It's clear Samsung has made progress since earlier prototypes. The folding mechanism seems polished and smooth, hinting that the phone is now close to production. Moving to the hardware, the Galaxy Z TriFold is said to feature a triple rear camera setup that looks very similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Reports suggest it might even reuse the same camera hardware, including a powerful 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 optical zoom. On the front, there's a punch-hole camera on both the cover display and the main foldable screen, ensuring flexibility for selfies and video calls in any mode. The leaked images also show a speaker grill and 3 microphones placed along the top edge for better audio capture, while the power and volume buttons are located on the right-hand side. Much like Samsung's previous foldables, even though the Galaxy Z TriFold remains behind glass in Samsung's showcases, its advanced hinge system and finished design suggest that the device is much closer to launch than expected. Earlier rumors claimed it would be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, making it one of the most powerful foldables ever built. The expected price is around $3,000, with Samsung reportedly planning a very limited production run, somewhere between 50,000 and 200,000 units. Launch markets are likely to include South Korea, China, Singapore, Taiwan, and possibly the UAE. However, Europe and the US might not see it at first. If these reports are true, Samsung's TriFold phone could debut in early 2026, while the company hasn't officially confirmed the name Galaxy Z TriFold. The consistent leaks strongly suggest that the product is nearly ready for announcement. The TriFold design itself offers a unique balance between phone and tablet. Unfolded, users get a 10-inch display perfect for multitasking, media viewing, and productivity. Fold it once or twice, and it turns back into a compact smartphone. This level of versatility could redefine what a foldable phone can be, though it comes with challenges like added thickness, complex hinge durability, and a very high price tag. When compared to Huawei's Mate X Ultimate, Samsung's TriFold might have the upper hand thanks to its inward folding design, which keeps the display safer and more reliable. Moreover, Samsung's software ecosystem, combined with One UI's optimization for foldables, could make the user experience far more seamless than its competitors. Still, despite its impressive engineering and futuristic appeal, the Galaxy Z TriFold will likely remain a niche product. With its premium cost and limited release, it's not aimed at the mainstream market, at least not yet. Foldables have been growing steadily, but they still make up a small fraction of total smartphone sales. Samsung's TriFold may set the foundation for future innovations rather than becoming an immediate best-seller. The Galaxy Z TriFold represents the next bold step in Samsung's foldable journey, a phone that blurs the line between smartphone and tablet, showcasing what's possible when ambition meets technology. Whether it becomes a commercial success or just a technological milestone, one thing is certain: Samsung is once again pushing the limits of smartphone design.